Hey guys, Mark Forbes here. First, I want to go over my tools of choice, my starting lineup. My lineup primarily consists of Wall and Andis made tools, two companies that have been in the industry for over 100 years. They make nothing but quality tools. They have helped speed up my fading in my career and have just made me an all-around better barber. The lever clippers I use are the Wall Seniors and the Wall 100-year anniversary clipper. Both cordless, both powerful. I use them both for fading and tapering. I use one for the 100-year for a lot of clip over combing. It's got a slightly different blade. Those are great tools. I use the Andis Supra, which is a metal clipper. It's got 7 speeds, powerful clipper. I use that for clip over combing, removing weight. I set my 1 guide in for skin fades and my 2 sometimes. I use that clipper every single day. Another clipper that I use every single day is going to be the Andis T Outliner and the Andis Slimline Pro. Both outliners, both great outliners. I use one more than the other. I use the T Outliner for outlining haircuts, balding out haircuts, taking out the bald line from the box shaver to triple aught. Use it every day. I use the Slimlines a little bit less. I use them mainly for beard lineups. It's got a smaller blade. It's easier to access tighter areas, and I use it for etching and designs and side parts and things like that. So what else do I got? The Wall Premium Guards. They are great. They stay on the clippers the best. They have this metal attachment, and it just helps hold it on all the time, whereas the old 1/2 and 1.5 guards were super flimsy, popped off, and they were just kind of sketchy, where these ones you feel secure and you feel the quality in them. I also use the Dyson blow dryer. Great tool, super sleek design, super powerful. My only complaint is the filter gets clogged really quickly because it's at the bottom and we're dealing with such short hair in the barbering world. But besides that, you just clean it a little more often. Besides that, it's a great tool, super sleek, super cool. I use the Wall box shaver. Don't know if I mentioned that already. Great tool. I use it for balding out haircuts, for cleaning up faces if they're lazy and they just want the shaver real quick. Hanzo Shears. Hanzo Shears are the sharpest shears I've used to date. They stay the sharpest, they come the sharpest. They are freaking amazing, and they're named out of their Kill Bill, Satori Hanzo. So it's just super rad company. They offer so much education. We actually host classes from their education department here, and it's awesome in this barbershop, Force Barber Company. They use the HH8s, the 7.5-inch HH8s for all of my shear over comb. I use the 5-inch HH5s, basically the same shear, just smaller, for all of my shear over finger. I use my HH14T texturizing shear for all of my texture and thinning out in some places where it's necessary, but mainly for adding texture and removing bulk. So yeah guys, those are my tools. You guys finished the first major video. There'll be a bunch of links for you to go in and check out the tools that I use. All through Amazon, super easy to use. If you have Prime, it's the winner. Thanks guys, stick around for the next class.